Hey guys, I'm Andrew with Transform Charleston, Roofing Project Manager. Today we are installing Atlas Pinnacle Pristine dimensional shingles. We choose Atlas because they do have a Scotch guard built in, providing an increased algae resistance. They also are a little bit longer and wider and have a longer exposure. They have a 5 and 7 days exposure that is a little bit more aesthetically pleasing to the eye. They also are cut where it's a 7-core 6-inch stagger, so it's a no-waste stagger. So when you cut your book up a rake or up a wall, you have no waste of your shingles. When we install these, the first nail is installed 1 inch from the edge. Then we're gonna go over 12 inches. And this nail, this spacing is 12 inches because the next shingle, the seam is gonna end up right here. If there's a nail here, within 3, 4, 5 years, the head of the nail will rust out and that will cause a leak. Then from here, we're gonna add 4 more nails. So 6, 6, 6, 6. And that's how you properly install a dimensional Atlas shingle.